So yeah, I've just had a beautiful experience, the gong bath, and wow, it was really very powerful. And the experience is it's a deepest meditation. If that experience is met fully, and I breathed into it and visualize myself traveling with the sound, and so that sound took me on a very powerful journey. And I've been doing a lot of healing work outside of my everyday life, and the impact is very deep, it's profound. Words are going to fall short of the full impact, and I guess it's you've got to experience for yourself. I suppose one of the things that if I was to describe it would be kind of like surfing. There's a wave that the sound travels through, and being a surfer, it's just like riding that wave. Every wave is different, every day is different, and every moment is different. How I turn up makes all the difference, and so I meet that wave with the fullest of my presence. And so same as with the gong bath, it was really powerful. And the first experience I had, I noticed massive healing, body, physical changes, transformations, and then this time feeling a lot more relaxed, and my voice changes. It was huge. So yeah, thank you.